three questions. Okay, so we have completed third one. We all are completed third.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fourth one. Find the smallest perfect square divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find the smallest perfect square divisible by, it must be divisible by 2, 3, it must be divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How to find? Think about it. How we can find a smallest perfect square? A smallest perfect square that must be divisible by all these three. Okay. So how to find? Okay, for example, if I write like this, 2 into 2. This is the smallest perfect square divisible by 2 only. Yes or no? It will be the smallest perfect square divisible by 2 only. Is it correct? Okay. Now this number has to be divisible by 3 as well. So perfect square, that will be this one. Yes or no? It will be divisible by 3 as well. Yes or no? This is a perfect square. Is it a perfect square? If we take its root, what we are getting? 2 into 3. So this is a perfect square. So 36 is the number which is a perfect square. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. Okay. Two numbers we are done. Okay. Now see here. 6. Is it divisible by 6 as well?
Sir.
Is it divisible by 6 as well? Okay. It's a perfect square.
Yes.
Divisible by 6 as well. Okay. Is it divisible by 4?
Yes.
It is also divisible by 4. That is 36. If we take 36, 2 into 2, that is 3 into 3. It is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6. Is it divisible by 5?
No, sir.
No. To
No,
make
sir.
it divisible by 5, you have to multiply with 5. If you have multiplying just with 5, it is not a perfect square. Is it a perfect square? No. So we have to multiply it once again. Yes or no? Now this is a perfect square. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 6. It is divisible by 5. Okay. So what will be the smallest number? 36 into 25. Is it this the number? Check it once. What will be that number? Find the smallest number. Divisible by
900.
900. Okay.
900.
900. So see, it is a perfect square of. It is a perfect square of. If we take the root of this one,
30.
30 will get 3 root, 9 root, 3 root of 110, 30. So 900 is a perfect square. Okay. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by all these numbers. So 900 is the smallest perfect square. Okay. 900 is the smallest perfect square divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Find the greatest number of 7 digits, which is a perfect square. Find the greatest number of 7 digits. Okay, do the fifth one. Find the greatest number of 7 digits. You have to find the greatest number of 7 digits. So, which has to be perfect square. So we have to take which number? Greatest 7-digit number is how much? Which one?
9.
Sir, 7
Nine.
times 9.
7 times 9. 3, 3, 6, 9. So this is the greatest 7-digit number. Now we'll check whether it's a perfect square or not. If not, then we have to make that number perfect square. How we are going to make? We have to find the greatest number of 7-digit number. That means its remainder will subtract. Whatever remainder we are getting, we are going to subtract from this one. So which method we are going to use? If you have to subtract or add, long division or prime factorization? Long division, okay? Start finding. Okay, so grouping we start from here. 1, 2, we have paired them, it remains single. Okay. Okay, so first number whose square is just equal to or less than 3, 3, 9. Okay, remainder 0, next one 9, 9. Plus 3, 6. So what should come here? You can easily see 6, 1, 1. Remainder how much? 8, 3, 9, 9. Plus 1, 62, plus 1. 62 and here digit. Okay. Forget about 2 digits, forget about 2. 6 is the 36. Around 6. Check it once. Check it once with 6, everyone. Check it once with 6. Check it with 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 carry 6 to ja 12. 18. 1 carry 6 is a 36. 3 7 8 6. Are you getting the same number? 3 7 5 6. 1 minute. 6 is a 36. 6 is a 12. 5. 3 7 5 6. 3 7 5 6. 6 3 1 6 plus 6 6 3 2 and here what is the remainder? 6 3 9 minus 6 3 9 minus 5 4 1 4 3 and 9 9 1 9 gone, second 9 gone, third 9 we have to. Okay, calculate this one. Forget about 1 2 3 decimals. 1 2 3 6 and 14. Is it over with 2? Try with 2. Try with 2. 6 3 2 2. 6 3 2 2 into 2. Try it with 2. How much are you getting? 1 2 6 4 4. 1 2 4 6 4 4. Separate it and tell me. Find the remainder now. 1 4 3 9 9. Calculate the remainder. Calculate the remainder. 13. Are you getting this remainder? Everyone got the same remainder or not? Calculate it. Okay, so we have done the long division method and this is the remainder here. At last we are getting this remainder. Okay, largest 7 digit is this one. Okay, so largest 7 digit to be a perfect square, we should get 0 as the remainder. Yes or no? We should get 0 as the remainder. Therefore, it means if we subtract 1755 from this, we get a 7 digit perfect square number. Yes or not? If we subtract this remainder from this number, we get a perfect 7 digit number. That number will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 1755. Subtract it 4,
4,
4,
2,
2.
8, 9, 9, 9.
Okay, so this is the perfect square number. Okay, its root is how much? Can you tell? You have 10 seconds to find the root of this one. What will be the root of this one?
160.
3162.
62. So root of this number is 3162. It's a perfect 7-digit number. That is, it's the perfect largest 7-digit number. Largest 7-digit number, which is a perfect square. Clear? So if we take the root, here its root, here 0 will come because this remainder has to be separated from this to get the 7-digit largest perfect square number. Is it clear to everyone? Everyone have understood? Okay. Sixth one, everyone do the sixth one. Find the least number by which it should be multiplied. So we are having 14122 number. Okay. Okay. So find the least number by which 1414112 to be multiplied, to be divided, to be added or subtracted first. To be increased. Increased means what should be added to it and what should be subtracted. Okay. So for these two, by what smallest number to be multiplied or to be divided, which method we should use to make it a perfect square?
And factorization method.
Prime factorization method. Okay. Prime factorization method. Okay. What number to be added or to be subtracted from this? What method will you use? Long division method. Because we need the remainder here. Long division method we require. Okay. So prime factorization method, multiplication, division. Okay. Do the factorization of this one. 1, 4, 1, 1, 2. I will start doing the factorization of this one. So 2, 7 are 14. Then 1, 0, 5, 6. Are you getting this one? Then 2, 2, 3 are 6. 10, 5, 2, 8. Again 2, 1, 7, 6, 4, 2, 8, 8, 2, 2, 4, 4, 1. Now what? It is divisible by 3 or not? 3, 3, 1, 14, 3, 4 are 12, 21, 7. Again, is it divisible by 8, 12, 3, 3, 4 are 12, 27, 9, 7, 7, 7.
7
Okay. Okay. So, if we do the pairing, these two, these two, these two, these two. Who remains single? 2. So, what is the least number it should be multiplied to make it perfect square? It means
2.
by 2 we must multiply so that it get the pair. Okay. This must also have its partner. Okay. So we must multiply. Or by what number should we divide? By 2. We can remove that. We can kill this 2. Yes or no? And rest all will have the partner. Understood? So by 2 it must be multiplied. By 2 it must be divided to make it a perfect square. Okay. Now what should be added or subtracted? So we have to go for
Long division method.
Okay, start doing your notebook, everyone. Start doing it in your notebook. Start doing it in your notebook. So 14112. 14112. Grouping, pairing. Okay. Okay. So whose square is just less than or equal to 1? 1, 1, 1. Remainder 0. Plus 1, 2, and here 41. What should be here? 22 ja 22 into 2, 44. That is more. So it will come 1, 1, 21. What is the remainder? 0, 2, okay. 1, 2. Plus 1, 22 here. What should be the number? What should be the number? Calculate it. What should be the number? Do 10 ja? If we do 10 is not possible. 9 we can take.
9.
8. Okay, go with 9. 2, 2, 9 into 9. 9, 9 ja 81. 8. 2, 2, 9 2 ja 18. 18, 18 or 8. 26. 2. 9 2 ja 18. 20. Is it more? We have to go with 8. 2 to 8 into 8. 8 8 ja 64. 6 carry. 8 2 ja 16. 16 plus 6. 22. 2. 8 2 ja 16. 16 and 18. This you are getting. Okay. So it is 8, 1, 8, 2, 4. Okay. Take 1 from 12, 8, 10, 2, 8, 9, 1. Are you getting this one? 1, 8, 1, 1, 8, 1, 8, 8. Check it once. Are you getting 188? Everyone who got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question is by what number it should be increased. Okay. So third part we do afterwards. By what number it should be subtracted? What is the least number to be subtracted from? 1, 4, 1, 1, 2. What should be subtracted to make it a perfect
Sir,
square?
reminder.
188.
This remainder will subtract.
188.
Okay. 188. Okay. We subtract 188. We whatever we are getting, that will be the perfect square. That will be the perfect square. So 14112. So tell me what will be that number. We have to find. Okay, list number only we have to find. Okay. So if we subtract 188 is the least number. If we subtract, that will be the perfect square. Okay. Now 14112. What should be added to this one to make it a perfect square? To make it a perfect square, what should be added to this one? What should be added? So see here, if we are adding something, whose square it will become? Whose square it is going to become? 119? Yes or no? If you are adding something to this number, so the resultant number is perfect square. It means whose square it will be? 119 square. If you are adding something to this one, so that it becomes perfect square. Whose square it will be? The resultant number. 119 square or not? Okay, you can see here 14112. This number will lie between 118 square and 119 square. Yes or no? It is slightly more than square of the 118 because point something we are going to get. We are going to get point something. Okay, 14112, 14112. Okay, so it is, if you solve, you are getting 0.79 something like this. Okay, so this number lies between what? Square of 118 square, and it is lies between square of 119. Okay, so if you are going to add something to this one so that the resultant numbers become perfect square, it means whose square it will become? This square. It means to get that number will be how much? 119 square minus 14112. This will be the least number to be added to this one so that it becomes square of this one. We can calculate this one. Calculate this one. How much it is coming? 14161 minus 14112. It's a perfect square of 119. Okay, minus 14112. How much you will get? Calculate and tell. Is it 49? Is it 49? 11 minus 2, 9, 5 minus 1, 4, 49. So see here, 49 if we add to this number, it will become, if we are adding 49 to this number, it will become this one, and it will be perfect square of 119. It will be perfect square of 119. Understood now? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear to all? Okay. So let's do 7th question. Start doing the 7th question. Find the least number. Read the 7th question. Again, least number. Make it a perfect cube. Okay. Yes. Find the least number.
This
Sir,
is eighth
seventh
question.
one. Sir, it is 8th question.
Okay, 7th one do it. Okay, 8th question we'll do afterwards. Okay, 7th question. Do the seventh question. Do the seventh one. So find the cube root of the following. 125. 125 into point. How many zeros are there? 3, 4 total. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4. Okay, it's cube root we have to calculate. Okay, it's cube root we have to calculate. Okay, so you all know it's a perfect cube as well. 64 is a perfect cube. You are having 6 zeros, 2 zeros will come out. So no need of multiplying them. We can do it like this. Cube root of 125. Since 125 is a perfect cube of
5.
5 into cube root
5.
of 0.000064. If you know it, you can directly do it, or else cube root of, we have written 5, okay? Into cube root of 64 divided by cube root of how many zeros? 6 zeros? Okay, so 5 into cube root of 64,
0.008.
4.
4. 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64. And here it will be 0. Okay. So how much it is? 20 divided by 100. Okay. How much?
0.
0.2.
0.2.
0.2 is the answer. Okay. 0.2 the answer. Or if you divide them, it will be 4 upon 25. Okay. Clear? Okay, do the second one. Second one is similar only. Try it once. Do the second one. Everyone do the second one. Keep doing it in a notebook. Second one, try the second one. Point 008 into 0.125 divided by 1000. It's cube root you have to take. Okay. So 1000, 0.08. So it's as well perfect cube, perfect cube, perfect cube. So we can separate them. Cube root of 0.008 into cube root of 0.125 divided by cube root of 1000. Okay, it comes out. Okay, what will be the cube root this one?
0.2.
0.08. Cube root of 8
0.2.
divided by 1 minute. Cube root of 1000. Okay, 2 divided by 10. 0.2. 0.2 into here as well. 125 is the cube root of. Its cube
0.5.
root will be 5. 5 divided by 10, 0.5, and its cube root is 10. Okay. 0.2 into 0.5,
0.10.
0.10.
0.10 or 0.10.
Sir, 0.1.
10. It is 0.1.
0.10.
0.1 divided by 10, it is 0.01. 0.10, it means 0.1 only. Divided by 10, 0.01. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do the next one. Next one is 117. Cube root of 506 plus cube root of 216. 216. Okay. So how we are going to solve? We start from here, inside out. So first we are solving our home problems, then we will solve the outside problems. Okay. Cube root of 216. How much? How much is the cube root of 216? Find it out. Cube root of 216.
6.
6 is 36. Is it? Calculate, everyone. Calculate.
Yes, sir. 6.
6. Okay. Next one, 117 plus cube root of, add them, it will be 512. If you remember whose cube is 512?
8.
8. 117 plus 8. How much it is? 120.
125.
125. Okay.
Sir,
So question is find the cube root of the following. Its cube root we have to find. It means this we have to calculate. Yes or no? Okay. Cube root of 125.
5.
5.
You are going to get 5 as the answer. Understood? 5 as the answer. Okay. Do the 8th one. So up to 7th, all questions are clear. Try 8th one. Find the least number by which this should be multiplied, divided to make it a perfect cube. Perfect cube. So go with the prime factorization method. Go with the prime factorization method. Factorize it. So we are having 6750. 6750. Okay, we are starting with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 1 minute. 2 3s are 6. 15. 2 7s are 14. 10. 5. Okay. Now with what? 3 is it going? 6, 7, 12.
yes, sir.
3. 1, 1, 2, 5. Is it again going with 2, 3? 3 3s are 9. 2, 22, 7, 5. Is it again going with 3? 12, 15, 3. 1, 2, 5. Okay. 5.
5. 25. 5. 5.
5.
1.
Okay. So we have to form the triplet.
Sir, 5 and 3.
Okay. What about 2? It's single. Okay. So the question is by what it should be multiplied? By what 6750 be multiplied to make it a perfect cube?
4.
4. Because we need to have the triplet of 2. It has to multiply with 2 and 2. So by 4 it has to be multiplied. By what it should be divided?
2.
By 2. We have to remove this one by 2. Okay. Everyone have understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do the next one. Now.
Sir.
Yes. Good. Okay. Do the next one. 9th one. It's mixed. Cube and square roots mixed. Do the next one. Cube root of 125 plus root 16. So what will be the cube root of 125?
5.
5.
Or
4.
it is cube root, it's square root of 16. It is 4.
4.
8.
9.
9. Okay. Do the second one. Root 100 divided by root of, it's cube root I think. Cube root of 0.008. Okay. So what is the square root of 100?
10.
Square root of this, cube root of this, calculate. So 8 digits
0.2.
and 3 zeros, only 1 zero. 0.2.
2.
0.2. Okay. So how much it is? 100 by 2, that is
1 by 2.
how much you're getting?
50.
50. You get 50. Understood? Okay, do the next one. Root of 64 divided by cube root of 64.
8.
8 upon 4 is equals to 2.
2.
8 upon 4 equal to 2. Okay. 8 upon 4 equal to 2. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So up to 9th only we have the questions. Okay. Up to 9th.
Yes, sir.
Have you all have understood this one? You all have understood this one? Any doubt you have anywhere? Any doubt? No. Regarding the examination, anyone have faced any trouble? Anyone have
No,
faced
sir.
any? No. Okay. Okay. So today we have completed. We have 2 minutes extra now. So anything you want to ask, you can ask, or anything you want to talk about, you can talk. Okay. So everything is clear now. Are you studying on time?
Yes, sir.
So every day
Yes, sir.
study a little, and everything is fine. Study a little, play a lot, and everything is going to be fine. Okay. But it means every day you have to study, or else what will happen? Afterwards, you have to play little, you have to study more. So it's better to study little each day. Each day we are doing some questions. If you complete, your whole work will be completed. Or else what will happen? When the notebook is going to be, school reopens, your notebook.
Is
Yes.
no test.
Test. You want test?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
no
sir.
test. No tests anymore. Okay. If you want revision, so what you have to do, see here, each day study. If you are doubt, ask in class. We are having each classes each day. Mathematics class we have each day. Every day we are having. Okay. So whenever you face any doubt, just ask in class. Okay. So revise them properly. Okay. And always check the link 15 to 20 minutes earlier if it is available in CI Soft or not. Because link is going to be uploaded in CI Soft, and in CI Soft it is going to be uploaded in online examination and class-wise notes, class notes. Okay. It is not going to be uploaded in WhatsApp. No, I'm not uploading. I'm saying during examination, always check 20 minutes early. 5 to 10 minutes early, you check once the link is available or not. Okay. CI Soft, it will be available in class-wise notes and online examination. Okay. And see here, my paper mathematics, it will be available in channel also. Okay. In channel also it will be available. Mathematics only. Okay. Other subjects I do not know. Okay. So you can attempt through channel as well. Okay. Clear to all? So CI Soft, it will be available for every subject, and for mathematics it will be available in in channel also. Okay. Okay. Okay then. Few students are very energetic.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. Okay then. Thank you all.
Yes, sir.